If you haven't had a carrot cake latte, you don't know what you're missing. And this Trader Joe's super viral carrot cake latte makes it so easy to make one at home. Let's start with your favorite espresso, a double shot of espresso. I'm using the Nescafe. You also want about a tablespoon of brown sugar, really to taste. I'm putting in hot water, giving it a mix, setting it to side. Now let's get our carrot cake whipped cream cheese, a big tablespoon, 3 to 4 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then let's give that a nice froth. And then let's assemble. Let's get our ice in there with our espresso, your milk of choice, and then that absolutely incredible looking carrot cake cold foam. Does that not look so good? I even put a touch of cinnamon sugar on mine, and I even went so far to put a little bit of crushed graham crackers. Oh my goodness, this is truly so delicious. I've never had anything like it, and this is going to be my new everyday drink, or at least until I finish that whole container of that carrot cake whipped cream cheese. It is so good. You can eat it plain even, let me tell you. It's that delicious.